Hi, hello, what's up? What can I do for you? Skin here, will you please take care of me? Girl, I got you. Let's do some skincare. Hey gorgeous, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if the lighting is off. We are in my bathroom and the lighting alone does not look very good. So I am kind of working with what I have. We are getting unready today. As you can see, I am pretty glammed up, got the red lip, got the liner, so we kind of have a mess. I figured let's just take it off and get ready for the evening together. So cleaning the face and showing you my skincare. This is not, you know, the steamer and all that stuff. I love doing that, but I'm just showing you what I would do on a normal evening. Nothing spa-like. So if you haven't already, subscribe and let's do this. Okay, I am a double cleanser. I think it's really important to, for starters, we want to get the makeup off of our face. So we're going to go in with two things to do that. And I know that's bougie, but whatevs. I'm going to go in with this from the JUNKIE list. And this is the Fulvic Acid Brightening Cleanser. And I'm going to mix that with just a couple pumps of the Take the Day Off Cleansing Milk. So let's start by doing that. Actually, let's start by taking off these lashes. I literally thumb and index finger and give it a quick pull and it's off. Just like that. Lashes are gone. Now, definitely have to pull the locks back. Squeeze the brightening cleanser. Couple pumps, literally mix them together. And we just go right in. Okay, so now that most of this makeup is off, and I know my face is red and I had to really go in with my eyes because of all the eyeliner, but now that that is off, we can go in with something that's more of a wash and a cleanser. Adding this makeup remover to a brightening cleanser is going to help that makeup come off without the pulling and the tugging and the scrubbing of your skin, which is something we don't want. That's just going to advance your aging. So that is why I add a makeup remover to the wash. Now let's go in with an actual cleanser. This is from Tatcha. This is the Deep Cleanse, and I love this. This is gentle enough for daily use, but potent enough to get your skin absolutely clean without stripping it of its natural oils. You want to pat your face dry. We definitely want to avoid the pulling of the skin up and down, moving all around. No, let's be sure and try and get in the habit of patting your skin down. Okay, now let's do some skincare. First, I'm gonna go in with toner. Now, I know I look a little bit different, but that's because the first part of the video, I got interrupted and had to put my attention elsewhere. So that's why I look different. That's why I have mascara, lash extensions on, and my hair is different, but I'm in the same spot. I just double cleansed. Let's continue forward. We're gonna go in with this toner from Freck. This is called Cactus Water, and it is a cleansing lactic acid toner. I think toner is like, do you really need it? Do you not? That's like the debate, but I personally love toner. I think it's great for evening out skin tone, and it's also really good for getting the last like dirt and grime off your face that your cleansing didn't get. I literally, sometimes I'll throw it in my hands. Others, I'm gonna put it on a cotton pad and just swipe up, and it just gets the last of the dirt and grime. It's like a breath of fresh air for your skin. It's also really good because it's gonna get into those pores deeper than what our soaps and of course, you know, what our little scrubby things can do. So I really like a toner. All over. Don't forget your neck and your décolletage area, your chest. Very important, especially as you age. Even if you take really, really good care of your face, your neck, décolletage, and hands are age giveawayers. If you don't take care of them, it's gonna be like beautiful skin. What happened? You know? Your hand's gonna be looking like a witch's hand. So when you're doing your skincare, you definitely want to keep in mind for your skincare products to work and to do their jobs to the best of their abilities, you need to start with thinnest product to the thickest. So your thinnest is gonna be your toner. I mean, it literally looks like water. And then you're gonna go into your serum. Well, fit your eye cream in there. I'm gonna put my eye cream on next. But then your serums, your retinols, your spot treatment, if you do that, should be next. And then you're gonna go in, this is debatable. I go in with a facial oil and then I top it off with my thick overnight moisturizers. Some people think you should go in with your moisturizers first and then go in with the oil, but I like my way. It works for me. You tell me. So now let's go in with a little bit of eye cream. This is from Wishful and I really like how hydrating it is. You just press and the product comes right out. And I'm literally just swiping it on. Notice there is no pulling, there is no tugging. You're just wiping it right on. That's one thing that I think is also another important thing when you're doing skincare, is you don't want to be doing anything that is pulling or tugging the skin. That is going to advance the aging process with your skin, and if you start being more gentle on your skin will thank you by staying firmer longer. I literally do 2 pumps and go around my entire eye. Getting here and definitely getting, I don't think crow's feet runs in my family, but I mean, you know, it gets there eventually, but some people, they just automatically get crow's feet as they age. But I definitely hit crow's feet area and where bags can form. This is just super hydrating. So even in the morning you can use this and you will see a really significant difference in tired looking eyes and tight, contoured, nice, awake looking eyes. Boom, eyes done. Now this is definitely just an extra step, but this is Caudalie, and this, I think that's how you say it, I don't know. It's just a face spritzer. It helps get rid of antioxidants and it hydrates your skin, and I just like it because as I'm doing skincare, I like to kind of rub it in when my skin is damp. So they have this, another version of this at Target. I think it's Evian, and it's way less expensive. This one wasn't too bad though, considering the brand. It's $18. That is so refreshing and it smells so good. Now let's go in with a serum. This is from Tarte, and as you can tell, I am almost out. And this is the Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic H2O Serum. I've been using this for years. I love it. I go in heavy at nighttime. You're gonna be asleep. Let your products do the work. We're going in 1, 2, 3, let's do 4 pumps. Warm it right on up in my hands and press. Once again, not pulling or tugging, pressing in the skin. Skincare at night is so important, just so you know, like even if you just do a moisturizer, lay it on thick, make sure you get all the areas, neck, chest, face, and then when you go to sleep, your skin is drinking, getting its nutrients, it's resetting for the next day. Because your skin goes through a lot throughout the day. It takes a lot of pollution, grease in the air if you work in a restaurant, you know, like it just takes a lot. So let's take care of it. That is my serum that I love to use, and that is just, I guess you would say, like my standard serum that I'm gonna put on my face, all over my face. And then let me hit some problem areas. Now I've got 2 things. One is drugstore Versed, and then the other one is Drunk Elephant. What do I want to do today? Okay, so since I didn't exfoliate like crazy, I'm not going to go in with this one. This is made for problem skin. Every now and then I get, well, you can see like right there. But when I exfoliate, I will definitely put that product on there, and I'll have all these products linked down below. But this, it's just a clarifying serum, and it's going to kind of calm down and soothe those areas that you just scrubbed. Since I did not go in hard cleansing tonight, I'm gonna go in with this from Drunk Elephant. This is the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, and I literally just put this here, and I feel like it keeps irritation at bay and also goes in really hard with healing those little dots, those problems. I lay it on thick, literally. Like I want to feel product still slipping and sliding on my skin. I don't want, some people rub it in so much that like the product disappears, it's dissolved. No, leave it. Let it build up on your skin so your skin has stuff to drink as you sleep. Oh, don't forget the hands. I just rub whatever on my hands. It's, as long as it's moisturizing, it's fine. This is something I picked up from Ulta Beauty. It's the Vitamins and C Beauty, and it's sea kale and hyaluronic acid. And I've got some fine lines working up there, but I am doing my best to keep them at bay. And I am going to just, once again, take, this is kind of like a gel, like it looks like an oil, but once it dries down, it kind of gets like a film, which is fine because I only use this at nighttime. And of course I wash my face in the morning, but I'm gonna just push that into my forehead and just go on top of other products. But mainly I focus this right on my forehead. And then, of course, neck, chest. And I do remember this being pretty darn inexpensive. So you should check this out if you see some fine lines forming or you just want to keep them at bay. Love that. Gorgeous. We are almost done. Let's go in with the facial oil. Tonight we landed on the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 all-in-one facial oil. This is so luxurious feeling and hydrating, and when I wake up in the morning, I'm telling you, my skin looks so like happy. It just looks so refreshed and ready to go. I got it from Sephora, and of course I will link it down below. I honestly need to re-up. Oh, that oil is so beautiful. Yeah, it's time for me to go skincare shopping because I'm getting low on a lot of stuff. So I will go in all over with this oil. Once again, going heavy because we're going to bed, okay? Skin is going to work while we snooze. So pretty. The skin, not me. You know what I meant. I was not, oh my gosh. Shut up, Holly. Okay. So that oil is in there. It is sitting. It is already, my skin is already like, ooh, girl, thank you. You're welcome. I got you. I got you. Now let's go in with the last step. It is my Retinol Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. This is from Glow Recipe. I really like it because A, the retinol, beautiful ingredient for unclogging your pores. It exfoliates your skin. It's going to increase collagen production. We love collagen here on this channel because collagen reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Retinol overall is just going to make your skin look way more happy, way more refreshed, radiant, more plump, all the good stuff. So this is my go-to because it goes on thick, it's hydrating, and it's a retinol cream. Literally made for you to sleep in. Lay it on thick, baby. Whatever retinol you have. I go in with this one last because it is in a lotion cream formula and it's the thickest product that I'm using. So I just take a facial spoon and I go right in. I actually really like this product because it's cool. This is Glow Recipe and it's like, it really is like the texture of an avocado. Like, it's amazing. I think that's really clever and cute. So we just go right in. This is so creamy. It literally looks like I rubbed an avocado on my face. Like, this is how thick and creamy this product is, and I love it. I am so here for it. Yeah, so if you're following me and you do a skincare routine like me and lay it on thick, make sure you're in for the night. Because, yeah, definitely got a lot of product on the face, but it's good product. It's not like cakey. When you wake up, it will not look like this. Your skin will have drank it and look plump, refreshed, beautiful, and ready to conquer, slay, do your thing the day. Yes. Last but not least, let's not forget the little lippies. We need our lips. We love our lips. We don't want them chapped. Okay, so I have two options here that I'm going back and forth between. I love them both. I also like Chapstick brand chapstick, the black one, just the original. And I also like Carmex, so it doesn't have to be bougie and expensive. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I'm sure you have heard of it. If you watch beauty channels, if you watched me, you have heard of this stuff. And this is the Hangover Pillow Balm Lip Treatment. I have the original, but this one is the mango flavor, Mango Kiss, and I'm so obsessed. So I'm actually gonna go in with this one. This actually has some shine to it. So if I'm at work or something, I literally, like, I take this with me and love this. So it looks cute and it's a lip treatment at the same time. And it's got a little bit, it's got a shine and an orange tint to it. Orange, like a corally. It's cute. And since it's evening time, we just go right on in. Everything is slathered and lathered, and you are ready for evening time. Ready to sleep. Yes, we love that. Ready to go out? Absolutely not. Ready to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any skincare questions, concerns, comments, please drop them down below. I love talking to you guys. You guys are absolutely my rock stars, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye.